I'd literally just started the business. It was kind of just an idea in my head that I thought, I'll give it a go and see what happens. Didn't really have much direction or much of an idea of how I was going to have it play out. During the course, we learned how to formulate a business plan, how to market to our target market, and do a little bit of research into who our target market was going to be and how to target those people effectively. A large part of the support was being put in contact with the right people. So through my time at Growing Great Entrepreneurs, I was able to connect up with Jardine McIntyre and do Social Smarty, which really did help for the social media marketing and targeting those target audiences. After the original 6-week Growing Great Entrepreneurs program, we were given the opportunity to go forward into mentoring, which I jumped at that opportunity, honestly so grateful to both the council and the chamber for the support and the help that was able to be offered to myself and others in my group. Now I stand here and I'm like completely blown away, cannot believe that within 12 months, my business is fully booked for me. I'm at the point now where I'm training someone else, and it is likely within the next 6 months I could potentially employ someone else as well. For anyone that's thinking about starting their own business, I definitely recommend getting in touch with Jobs CHB. It's done so much for me and my business. I would love to see it go on and help other people.